Skills with Susan. I hope everyone are doing great. Yes, I came up with a new video. Hope this video will be helping you. And we all know that we are in this 2021 end of the month, right? This year dawned every man to be mentally strong enough. Yes, in this pandemic time, it has made many physically weak or mentally weak, but few have been mentally strong as well. So in a few days, we are going to face a new year, right? So few will be more excited, few will be more not more excited because it's just next day. But I want to use this time to pass a good message that are you ready enough to face new challenges? So I'm having one question. So are you strong enough to face a new life, new year? Okay. If not or if yes, still check these points. If you are yes with these points, yes, you are mentally strong. If not, I hope this video helps you to make you mentally strong in facing new challenges, new phases in your life. Yes. Point number 1. Focus on making yourself more happy. Yes, if you are happy, then you will be strong mentally. And never ever please others and do sacrifices in order of making others happy, because you yourself, you has to be important for all the phases of the life which you're facing. So please make sure whatever decisions you're taking and whatever yes you're saying and whatever no's you're saying, it has to satisfy your inner you. Yes, so please make sure you always focus on making yourself happy, and when you go to your bed, when you recollect the moment which you have said yes, it has to put a smile on your face. So please make sure you're making yourself happy first in order to pleasing others. And fear of disappointing others may hold you back, hold your happiness back. So please make sure you are focusing on your happiness first. Yes, that is important for you. Number 2, forget about your past. Yes, dwelling in your past failure or success may disappoint you to go forward, to take a bit step forward. So leave back everything, whatever it may be, a success, it may be a failure. Leave it there and you have to go on to the next phase of your life. Never ever come with that notion that yes, that was the time I had a success, yes, that was the time I have a failure. Okay, whatever has happened, happened. Leave it, whatever the past, whether your past have a good memories or which makes you down, disappointing memories also. Just leave it, don't hold it back and stick over there. Come on, move, face new challenges, go for a risk. And number 3, detox toxic people. Yes, detox. I think you have heard this word generally these days. Everyone are so health conscious, making their body detox by having detox drinks, right? When we will feel like when our body is filled with so much of junk or so much of wastage, we want to throw out with having a detox drinks, right? In the same way, in our life also, we may be struck, or we may be having a baggage of people, or we may be got tangled with people around, which makes us mentally down or mentally weak, pulling us back, which may there will be people around us who always come up with the negative words or always put you down by showing your weak points, like you're still like that, it's not happening with us, dude, or else this we can't do, I know about you now. So like this, we will be hearing few words, people around us. It may be a neighborhood auntie, it may be your relative, it may be your bestie, it may be your classmate, it may be your colleague, anybody. So please have an eye, you have to detox those toxic people who are around you. So how means you can filter your social media first. Clean your social media, make sure you're hanging up with people who boost you up, or else connect with your new friends, which something you may learn. So, and in this technology world, in this sticky world, it's very easy to get connected, right? So please make sure you're filtering your social media first. And number two, identify people who are pulling you down and make sure you're being away from them, in order to, make sure you're not being communicating with them. Yes, so by detoxing toxic people, sure you'll have healthy mental health. Yes, not only for this physical health, every human need to have a mental health also. So healthy, in a healthy way. So please make sure when you are, before entering your new year, you are detoxing the toxic people around you. Yes. So number 4, recollect and visualize. So please make sure whenever you get a time, you try to recollect what happy moments happened to you, so that by recollecting that will make your mind so much happy and strong that happy hormones will be secreting in your body, and which will indirectly make you mentally strong. So, and not only recollecting the happy moments, you have to visualize what's going to happen if this happens, what's going to what going to be the result if this happens in this way, if that happens in that way. It's better you visualize, so that you will be mentally prepared if you are facing any failures, if you are facing any which makes you down, or which is dragging you down. So that if you visualize, you will get to know on prior, okay, I already thought this, if this happens this, so already thought, okay, this going to give me a good result. So whatever the decisions you're taking, make sure you're visualizing on prior, not only the positive sides of that situation, along with the negative things also you have to visualize, so that you will be having that mentally strong thing in facing the new challenges. Yes, so I hope these points will help you to face a new challenges, new days, new years. Life keep on knocking us down in few situations, but there is no option. We have to come back and be strong in facing all the challenges. So wishing you a advance happy new year, and don't think that this new year is just like one more year which you have gone through. No, this is something special, which means you are alive in this year, right? Many have been passed, many have been suffered a lot, many have seen many ups and downs in this year, in the previous years. So make sure you are something special, that God has blessed you with a good health and good wealth, so that you are seeing entering into a new year. Yes, so all the best for all the future plans. So please make sure whatever points I've mentioned, that you are trying to focus, and so that you will be mentally strong and facing a new 2022. Yes, thank you so much. Have a good day.